Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. I want to share with you the new way to buy online the ultimate work tools for professional maintenance and repair operations. Introducing the Hazet 9098-24 Pneumatic Sliding Hammer Injector. This comprehensive 24-piece tool set is your go-to solution for demanding injector removal tasks. With a powerful pneumatic mechanism, it effortlessly tackles even the most stubborn injectors. No more struggle. The sliding hammer design delivers controlled impact, ensuring your engine components stay safe and sound. Ergonomically designed for comfort, you can work longer without fatigue. When it comes to precision and durability, the Hazet 9098-24 is absolutely essential for automotive professionals. Get yours today and experience the difference. Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.